Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to see about an online platform called Replit, where you can make your programming codes. Also a free online course is available in that particular site. Let us go on to today's video and explore what are the options available in that Replit, and also you can see what are the free basic programming courses available. So how we can access that course online, and also how you can program online coding and also get your program compiled and interpreted. So let us go on to today's video. So this is the site what I am talking about, replit.com. So Replit is a live your browser, that is you can run up to 50 plus languages online with a Replit. So Replit is a best way to code and ship real projects. So you can use this Replit. So I am going to click on this Replit. So here you can get different templates, that is blank Replit. So here you can get Python, so HTML, CSS, next C++, Node, next Python with Turtle, Java, C++, Bash, Pygame, PHP, web server, so React, JavaScript, Ruby, Shift, Go. So like that different options available with the Replit. So if you are going to give a Python, so it will create Python. So you can see here. Just a minute, it will take several seconds. So this is the code editor. So what you can do is you can click here. So you can copy your code here and get your code that is run or generated. So here you can get what is the problem with your code, or it can be compiled using this online platform. So this is an important option available in this. So next one what I am going to give is learning process. So learning with Replit. So I am going to click on. So here you can see jump back into the 100 days of code, the complete Python course. So I am going to click here. So I already explored that day 1 coding. So here I am going to give start day 2. So if you come over this, you will get start day 1. So second one, you can have this, what are the options you are going to be taught. Use 3 skills learned, print input variables to start creating some really epic projects. So start on day 2. So after clicking start on day 2, so it will take several seconds. Your video will be generated. Here comes your tutorial for day 2. So in order to explore the tutorial, you can watch this video, and you can make sure you can work in this workspace, and you can get online training. So just I am going to click on this video.
Day 2 of 100 days of code, and big whoop, you can put something on the screen. But let's see if we can take something from our users instead. Now this is the input command. It's very similar to print, but what it does do is it shows the text on the screen but won't do anything else until our user has typed something in and pressed enter. So it looks very much like the input command. Let's test it out. Now you'll see the program's run, but it's waiting for me to type something in. So I'm going to go over into my console.
So you can pause this, and you can do the same in your workspace, and you can click on run. The same can be run using this by watching parallelly your that is your online video. So and you can work on in hands-on training. So after finishing this session, that is for example if you are completed day 2, so you can give mark lesson as complete, and you can move on day 3. So like that 100 days of basics of Python can be learned using this site. So you can use this option to master in your programming language. Here you can see tutorial or change tab. If you want to close tutorial, you can give to close tutorial. So change tab, so you can give, there are different options available for the different packages. You can click on this. So like that, if you complete mark lesson, so I am going to click mark lesson as complete. So congrats on completing day 2. So back to learning hub. So you will get start day 3. So this is the thing you will get in day 3, that is learn about concatenating and impress your friends with this big word, complete a wacky recipe making project. So what I am going to give is, so I am going to click on start day 3. Okay, here comes our day 3 tutorial video. So here the simple options are available. So you can copy the code here and you can generate. So here you can see the code here. You can click on run. So here you can see how your output will be generated. So you can use this code. So what is your name? I am giving some name. What is having lunch? What are you having for lunch? So I give rice. So Karthik is going to chowing down a rice very soon. So like that you can make your programming in online. So you can access that what is explaining in that particular video. So what I am going to give is,
It's day 3 of 100 days of code. You might be looking at the title and going, let's fix that. In this program, we have printed everything out in a single line.
So like that you can learn the basics of this Python. So in 100 days by having this tutorial. It is a very online free platform where you can learn this process very easily. So make use of this option to learn and master in the coding. So thank you for watching our videos. Hope this video will be helpful how you can make use of this online code access. That is this is 100 days of code. So after 100 days you will get an idea how to make a coding on Python. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.